To properly curl the left side of your head, it's going to be your iron in your right hand, thumb behind the power button. You start with the curve in towards your scalp, but on the left hand side, we start with the cord end of our iron up. You start with your fingertips in towards your scalp, your thumb kind of up to the side, to the ceiling, and you would gently shut your hair in the iron, turn your knuckles to the back of the room, and push forward towards your mirror, keeping your iron at a slant. And to help keep that angle when you're first starting out, to keep your curls consistent, you just match the other half of that rooftop line, cords up on this side, and you just draw that angle down. And so when you're watching yourself in the mirror, you just line your iron up with that line in the mirror and push your iron towards that line to keep your angle consistent while you're curling. Common mistakes on the left-hand side are starting with your thumb on the wrong side of the iron. So it's on the side with the heat temperature lights instead of behind the power button. Starting with the straightening side in, where your thumb is going to be next to your forehead instead of up towards the ceiling. Or doing a two-handed turn where you're just working too hard for it. You don't have to turn that far. You just have to turn till this line lines up with your line in the mirror and push forward towards the mirror. And you want to make sure that you're not doing any of the other common mistakes of gripping your iron too hard, grabbing pieces that are too thick or too tall where your hair is not going to stay on the plates, or bunching your hair up and twisting it. People get into this habit of holding onto the end all the way through. We do want you to hold on to the end of your section to keep your hair on the plates as you curl, but if you do this wrap around, the hair ends up all bunched up and twisted, and that's never going to heat as well as fanned out and flat. So keep your hair spread out across the plates as much as you can when you're curling. And then with all these pieces combined, you will get a perfect curl on the left.